Sunday, June 15, 2025. Most Holy Trinity. Focus. When the Spirit of truth comes, He will guide you into all the truth. Jesus prepared His apostles for His crucifixion by revealing to them the mystery of the Holy Trinity. Three persons, one God, working in perfect unity. The disciples, confused and fearful, struggled to grasp this. How could the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit be three, yet one? Jesus reassured them. The Spirit Himself would teach and guide them to the truth. During the Citizens' Mass movement against Regional Plan 2021 in Goa, in 2008, I realized the crucial importance of unity. At a public meeting, I spoke out against hill cutting, exposing those involved. Some people, angered by my words, confronted me, their hostile intentions clear. At that moment, a man of small stature but great influence intervened, asking, "Did he say anything wrong?" His unexpected question diffused the situation, and I left, shaken but strengthened. The Holy Trinity is not just a theological mystery. It is God's constant presence in our lives. The Father calls us to righteousness. The Son walks with us in suffering, and the Spirit empowers us with courage and wisdom. Just as the Trinity acts in perfect love and unity, we are called to stand for truth and justice, trusting that God will guide us. Fruit. May I always live in the presence of the Holy Trinity, embracing the Father's will, the Son's love, and the Spirit's truth.